I'm a dangerous man. I thought with the law since I was 17.